Where to find the best sites. Homemade beauty products. Hi. You want more information about homemade refrigerator deodorizer? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about homemade refrigerator deodorizer is www.staples.com. See the page titled Avanti Registered 1.7 cubic feet Superconductor Compact Refrigerator. This is the link. You can also try www.huffingtonpost.com, especially the page Homemade Cleaners, Lemon Deodorizers and other uses for. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see the homemadeexperiment.com. The web page Homemade Shoe Deodorizer, the Homemade Experiment. This is the link.